Creating a simple contact form page in WordPress doesn't have to be complicated. And the best part? You don't need any plugins at all. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to build one in just a few minutes using WordPress's built-in tools. First, log into your WordPress account. When the login page appears, you can either sign in using your credentials or choose the Continue with Google option. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your WordPress dashboard. Now, from the sidebar menu, look for Pages and click on it. This section displays all the existing pages on your site. To create a new one, click Add New. This opens up a blank page editor where you can start customizing your new contact form page. In the search bar on the left panel, type the word contact. WordPress will automatically filter templates related to that keyword. When you see an option labeled Contact One, click on it. This will load a clean and ready-to-use contact page template into your editor. Here, you can edit the text, adjust the layout, and personalize the design to match your website's style. No coding or external plugin required. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, go ahead and click the Publish button at the top. Your new contact page is now live. To preview it, head over to your site's front end and open the blog home template or any page where you'd like it to appear. You'll see how seamlessly your new contact form blends into your overall design. And that's it. You've just created a fully functional, beautifully integrated contact form page. All within WordPress, no extra tools needed. Simple, clean, and efficient. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to leave a like and stay tuned for more easy WordPress tips and website tutorials. Thanks for watching.